Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset TOZO T20. So I'm gonna be using the instructions that are included in the quick guide over here. If you want to, you can check it out. If you have TOZO T20, then you can just use the quick guide and follow the instructions. I'm gonna repeat the same steps. And I'm gonna mention also right from the start that in my case it seems to be not working properly. Perhaps in your case it will work just fine. In my case it didn't. So let's follow the instructions. So the first thing that we need to do is turn off the Bluetooth on the device that we are connected to. So I'm gonna turn off Bluetooth on my smartphone, and now we should open the case and put the earbuds back into the case. Close the case, and now we need to wait a couple of seconds. I think the good indicator is the LED display, and once it is gone, I think now it is a good time to reopen the case, and now we need to take off our earbuds again. Now this time we need to pick up our earbuds, and we will need to double tap the touch panel. So over here, of course, above the light, we have the touch panel. Right now they are in some sort of pairing mode, so we should double tap the touch panel, and after that there was supposed to be the like the indicator should blink swiftly for about 3 seconds and then turn to slow blink, which should suggest the complete reset. However, in my case it doesn't happen for some reason, so I double tap but nothing really happens. The lights are still blinking as they were before and nothing works. So if this helps you, if this works for you, then you can turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone or whatever you were using, and then you should be able to connect to earbuds again. Perhaps if there is actually an issue with the earbuds, then this might work. And it is also stated that if the fault persists, then we should perform the preceding steps again. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!